Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update BlockFi style interest tracking alternatives with CoinLedger. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the CoinLedger website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your CoinLedger account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option to import your cryptocurrency transactions. Select the method that best suits your needs. You can choose to upload a wallet file or connect an exchange. If you're using a wallet file, locate the file on your device and upload it. If connecting an exchange, follow the prompts to authenticate your account. After your transactions are imported, review them for accuracy. Ensure all your transactions are categorized correctly. Next, look for the Reports section on the dashboard. Select the type of report you wish to generate. For interest tracking, choose the Interest Report option. Customize any necessary fields to reflect your specific needs. Once you've configured the report settings, click on the Generate button. Wait for CoinLedger to compile your report. When the report is ready, download it to your device. You can now review your BlockFi style interest tracking alternative. Make sure to keep your reports organized for easy future reference. If you encounter any issues, refer to CoinLedger's support pages for assistance. Your interest tracking should now be up to date and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.